What's up, everyone? Welcome back. So, there's snow on the ground, and I'm trying a new tire. Before I had the Falken wildpeaks, and then before that I had the W.O.T.CANADAs. Crap. Before that I had the Nitto Trail Grapplers. Good-ish. Good for chomping through snow. Typical mud tire. Really good in the snow, but not so much for slippery. So, new truck, new set of tires, new set of wheels. I went with the Haida Mud Champs. Actually pretty impressed with them. They are a Chinese tire, and I don't know what else to say. They're very similar to the Trail Grapplers, the Nittos. Would I say they're better than the Falkens? They're about the same. These are the tires. Those are the wheels. So they're a stock size tire, 275/60/20s, and the wheel is a -18, so it gives a little bit of poke. Yeah, okay, I'm actually very impressed with them. They are a softer tire. They are softer than the wildpeaks. I'd say they're probably equivalent to the BFG for the compound. Being out here, the boonies, it's been pretty good. We've okay amount of snow here. Down the highway, yeah, they're noisy. But that's a typical mud tire. They're noisy. Now, would I compare these to the BFGs? I've had plenty of BFGs. The KO2s I would never recommend to anybody. I wouldn't mind seeing what the KO3s would be like. If someone wants to tag me in that video, make up a video, send it to me. But today's topic is the Haida Mud Champs, and they are a Chinese tire. You know what everybody says, hey, they don't want to buy anything from China, but really, everything is made in China. Very few things that aren't made in China. A lot of crap from China, but these ones seem to be pretty good. Like CF Moto, not the same comparison, but they're coming along with some really good stuff. So for tires, if you're looking for a good, cheap, budget-friendly tire, I don't know if they would call it a hybrid or not, but it's pretty thick. Thick as in tread. Tread is really nice. Got a nice deep lug on it. Now, if they rounded the edges off a little more, like the wildpeaks, they'd be a lot less noisy. So I think I have so I bought these back in July. I sat in my garage for about a month. I think I have, I don't know, I'm going to say 8,000 kilometers on them. Drive to work and back all the time. Great on the highway. Great tires. I can't remember what the price of the tires were. Maybe $800, $900 for the tires, and then so the package deal with the taxes was $2,400 for the wheels and tires. That's a really good deal. I think. I paid $2,400 for this setup. $2,600 just for the tires from the Falken wildpeaks, and then KO2s, I think they were $2,400, or they might have been the same as the other ones. But my honest review, Canadian winters, you know how it gets up here, cold, crazy. Right now it's cold. It's -28 on a Tuesday. Tires are still fairly pliable. They're fairly soft. They're not as soft as they're obviously going to when the sun hits it, warms it up. But yeah, If you guys are looking for a budget tire, look up Haida Mud Champs. They also have another Haida, they call it an RT. They look like boots, the grips. I have another video when I first got the wheels and tires. I had the RTs, and they were a lot wider. They were almost a 14 wide tire, and was getting a vibration from them. And so the dealer said, "Oh, we'll get you into these tires instead." But it ended up being something else, so I guess they upgraded me for free. And little back to this narrow tire. The wheel offset's negative 18, and it's been good. Obviously, you're getting a little bit more debris up the side of your vehicle. Anyways, if you're looking for a decent tire and you don't want to spend a huge amount of money, granted, $2,400 is still a decent set of money, but I think the wife paid for Nixon winter tires for her old Kia, and it was $2,300 just for tires, which is crazy. Anyways, any questions about these Haida tires? As we go along, I'm going to make more videos. How deep I can go? Well, the truck is pretty stock, so it's only as far as I can go without destroying something. Anyways, thanks for watching. Hit me up if you have any questions. KO2s, hang on. KO2s suck. Don't buy them. Waste of money, no traction. Watch my other older videos. Show some videos of trying to get up through this section over here. A long time ago now. KO3s, I don't know. I haven't used them, and I won't go back to them because they look exactly the same with a little bit of different siping. Anyways, thanks for tuning in. And yeah, happy cold winter. See you later.